Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial on how to download the open source Free Realms Landwalker. Before you get into the steps on actually how to download it, you're going to want WinRAR. Just Google WinRAR, it's the top link, click download WinRAR, and you'll just want to grab the 64-bit one right there at the top. And once WinRAR is downloaded, just follow the install wizard. So now that you have WinRAR, you're going to want to do step 1 and download Apache. It'll take you here, just down by download, click on, the one for your system, and once again, just follow the install wizard. And now that you have Apache, we're actually going to skip step 2 and 3 and go ahead and download the Landwalker client. The link takes you to this page, hit download, and it's most likely going to say that it couldn't scan for viruses. Just download anyways, it's safe. And then once you have that downloaded, put it on your desktop, and you'll have a file that looks like this. And now you need to extract it, so go ahead and right click and just click extract here. And this will take a minute. Now that you have your file, first you want to go to your PC, to your C drive, and then your file for the program you just downloaded, XAMPP. Go in there and find htdoc, and you won't have the Landwalker folder in there already. What you're going to do is go into your Landwalker client folder, take that folder that's just named Landwalker, and drag it into htdoc. Just drag it in there and drop it. And now that that's done, you want to run Apache. It's called XAMPP, and then Apache, there's the line at the top. You just click start on that one, and then you're going to want to go to the Landmark server file and then run the SOE daemon, and then you're going to want to go back and then click Landwalker client file, and you're going to scroll way down and then just click Landwalker, open that, and it can take a minute to load. You'll see the loading screen. And then you can play, you can run around. It might crash in a couple of minutes, that just happens. They don't have a fix for it just yet. However, if you load in and there's just an infinite loading screen, it never loads into the game. They just put out a fix for that, so I'm going to show you how to do that if you have that problem. So you're going to want to go back to the Discord server, go to resources, that link there at the bottom, the GitHub repo, go there, and then OFR zip, go in there, download that, throw it on your desktop, right click, extract here, and then you're going to go back into Apache. So go back into the XAMPP file, open the htdocs, and then you're going to open the OFR folder. And what you're going to end up doing is you're going to take all of these file folders and you're going to be dragging them into the Landwalker file folder in htdocs. Do not put the manifest in there, just the file folders, drag them into Landwalker like shown. And then once that's done, try again, go back into Apache, start it up. Back in here, server, SOE daemon, client, scroll way down, and Landwalker. Let it load. And it should work.